With Digitstem affiliate marketing, you can be on your way to earning your first $1,000 within 30 days. So here are some of the money earned by affiliates on Digitstem. You can also start earning in dollars today. So Digitstem pays affiliates every Saturday. So if you sign up today, you can cash out every Saturday of every week. And Digitstem is more like expert near affiliate, and the only difference is that Digitstem pays in dollars and it's available for many African countries, unlike ExpertNet that is only available for Nigerians. So, what exactly is Digitstem affiliate marketing all about? Digitstem Affiliate is a platform that gives you an access to earn in dollars just by using your smartphone and, most importantly, at the comfort of your home. All right. So it's available for everyone, both young and old, in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, and many other African countries. And guess what? It's quite affordable to get started on Digitstem. So here are two ways to get started on Digitstem. The first one is to directly register on their website, but here are some of the disadvantages of this mode of registration. The first one is that you will have no access to courses that we teach you about affiliate marketing. The second one is that you will have no access to a support group or mentorship. And the third one is that you will be getting a very little percentage based commission. Instead of getting paid 50% commission when you promote a course such like ultimate money machine course, you'll be getting 25%. And here, that's too small. It's just like cheating. You're being cheated. So hold on, there's a better option, and that's the second way of getting started on Digitstem. And this is by getting a renowned Digitstem course called Ultimate Money Machine Course. So with this Ultimate Money Machine course, you get 50% commission on every promotion you make. All right. So click on the link in the description below to get the Ultimate Money Machine course. And with this course, you can make your first $1,000 within 30 to 90 days, depending on how fast you really want to earn the money. So with this Ultimate Money Machine course, you learn the basic and key metrics to online business. You will also learn more about affiliate marketing and affiliate marketing formula, sales trick, traffic generation, funnel building. You will learn how to generate massive quality leads on Twitter, on Facebook, and on WhatsApp. So you will also learn how to build a landing page with your smartphone to promote your business online and make more money. Also, you will learn the easiest way to convert prospects to hot buyers in less than 7 days. So you also learn how to convert your WhatsApp into a cash machine. And here are some of the bonuses you will get when you get this ultimate money machine course. The first one, you will get how to start a YouTube channel that pays you in dollars monthly with your smartphone, and the retail value is about $49. All right. The second one is that you will have a blog that ranks on Google with your smartphone, and the retail value is about $52. The third one, you will get access to Digitstem Telegram support group where you will have access to 7-figure weekly coaching, and the retail value of that is about $48, right? Okay, the values of all of these bonuses are quite huge, but if you use the link in the description below, you won't need to pay all of those huge sum. And the Ultimate Money Machine course is valued at $180. The Smart YouTube Monetization course is valued at $17, and the Dollar Printing Blogging course is valued at $84, and the 7-figure support group and weekly calls is also valued at $100. So if you sum up all of these, and that's about $381, and that is about 266,000 in naira. Okay, so guess what? You won't pay all of this huge sum if you use the link in the description below right now, because with the link you will only pay $20, and that's about 15,000 naira as at the time of making this video, because the price is set to increase anytime from now, and it's wiser to register now, get the course, and then be on your way to making your first $1,000 online as an affiliate on Digitstem affiliate marketing. You will get an affiliate account and also get access to this money making course after you make your payments with the link in the description below. So To make your payment, just click on the affiliate link in the description below and pay the little sum of money. It is 15,000 naira. In naira, it is 15,000, and in dollar, it is about $20. All right. So that's all about how to start Digitstem affiliate marketing for beginners, and this will help you to earn as much as you desire to earn. All right, you can be on your way to making $1,000 within 3 days, within a week, within 30 days. It depends on how much you're willing to make the money and you put in whatever you learn into work and start making that money. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel so you can always get more information and more videos on how to make money online. Thanks for watching.